Hello, I am Samuel Guéné, CEO and founder of Gemesis.
So my name is Olivier Merlin. I am the director of Photonis program in charge of developing neutron radiography at low flux.
I created the company 3 years ago.
I am one of the co-founders of Photonis, so there is 30 years I am in the management team of the company, so quite some seniority.
Our role at Gemesis is to help company and research center better understand their products to improve design, performance, sustainability, and efficiency. We build laboratory and production test benches for hydrogen, energy, battery, and mechanical component technology. The e-boost project aims to assist us in developing a neutron imaging techniques that allows the visualization of hydrogen, lithium, and light elements, unlike X-ray imaging.
So today, neutron imaging is used as a non-destructive testing technology. The capacity of the current detectors is limiting the usage of neutron radiography to few large nuclear research centers in the world. So the technology is not adapted to industry. The purpose of this program is to make it accessible to industry by being able to make neutron images at very low neutron flux.
With neutron, you can observe the movement of the lithium or the distribution of water in a fuel cell plate. Associated with test benches, you can understand the design, safety issue, improve catalysis, or detect defects in production. One of the main challenges for gigafactories today is the ability to correctly adjust the process in production.
Today, sustainable technologies are lacking the right quality control system. X-ray can't see all the light elements, and sustainable energy are dealing with hydrogen, with lithium batteries, and all those elements are detectable only with neutrons.
Photonis is our key partner, providing the neutron technologies. We start working with them 1 year ago. We work also closely with renowned test center, such as FC Lab on fuel cell technology and the LabMe on the battery technology.
The collaboration with Gemesis it came very naturally. Gemesis is an expert in testing bench for ion lithium batteries and fuel cells. We are very complementary because Photonis can bring to Gemesis the access to this neutron imaging technology that is required and mandatory, I would say, to really reply to the needs of zero emission technologies.
e-boost has enabled us to finance the tests we conduct with Photonis at their development center. This allowed us to migrate risk and validate our design.
But for us, e-boost is very important. First, to help us to finance this innovation, which is quite costly. And secondly, because e-boost gives us a European dimension, so an international visibility of this program, which is a world premiere. We are the first one to be able to make neutron imaging at such a low neutron flux. So it's very important for us to address the global market and not only the national one.
What we can say is that the results are truly exciting. We are now in the design phase of our container and our modular test center.
Yeah, this year is going to be a crucial year into the planning of this program. We are going to start intensive testing campaign on real samples and parts supplied by customers who are interested by the technology. And the purpose of it is to really define the limit and the capacity of the technology to be able to make a first pre-industrial prototype by the end of this year.
Neutron imaging containers.
Unique.
the creation of the partnership with Photonis?
Actually, this is in April 21, where we have been able to make the first image at a very low neutron flux. It was really a world premiere, and we were so excited to have been able to succeed.
LabVIEW and Neutronics.
To be able to design our system, we need what we call the Monte Carlo approach, which is to simulate the behavior of the neutrons and be able to design the system according to the safety regulation to make it accessible to industry.
Co-investors found our next factory, got new test benches, and found people and talent to work with us.
I am flying to Lyon next week for a design review meeting at Gemesis, our partner, to start working on this modular bench, which is going to be also a technological breakthrough.
Be honest, trust people, share the idea, but protect your innovation, find financing to support your innovation.
I would say the most important thing is to listen the market. Listen what the potential customers need, what they are ready to pay for what purpose they need the technology. If you don't listen what your future customer wants, you are missing the target.
Acceleration.
But you know, I would take an image like in the space exploration. To launch a rocket, you need a mast, and I think this mast is e-boost. They are helping us in the first second of the flight to launch the rocket in the right direction and to ensure that we are going to be able to fly up to Mars. So it's very important. This is the first part of the program where it is weak, where you need support and you need help, and the support of e-boost was really very important for us.